I'm Beeston and I'm a Chartered Legal Executive Apprentice at Gowling WLG. This is actually my second apprenticeship. I've been here for 2 years now. The grind of going into college and school day in, day out just didn't appeal to me. It wasn't very engaging, it wasn't very stimulating or motivating. So the option to come and work full-time somewhere that's completely different to what I've done before appealed to me on the basis that it would motivate me and give me something to do. When I finished my initial apprenticeship, the opportunity came about to carry on with the Chartered Legal Executive Apprenticeship at Gowling's. So having worked here for 2 years already, it seemed ideal to carry on. What I really enjoy about the role is the interaction, not just with my colleagues on a day-to-day basis, but with the clients that I work with and work for. So I do real estate lettings, and it's completely different to anything that I imagined it would be. So it was the surprise of coming in and finding out that it's something I actually do enjoy, and I enjoy coming into work and working on. CILEx Law School supports really well, so the staff are always available to answer any questions in build up to exams, in general work terms, so there's plenty of people you can contact. The teacher support we get webinars, so they tend to be twice a month, where it's like going to a lecture, but obviously sat at your computer, so you get all the teaching you need. You get your manuals where you work through those in between. So the teaching is available and the teaching standards are really helpful and good. The thing that really helped me settle into the role was the people I work with day in, day out. Obviously coming as an 18-year-old straight from college, it's quite daunting to come into a professional business office and everyone knows what they're doing and it's all quite hectic and chaotic in a way. So the people that you work with really help me settle down and build myself up into the role. One of the main reasons I think apprenticeships work is because they offer a different route to people that don't necessarily see university as the be-all and end-all of their professional life. So it can be quite a drag sometimes for certain people to go in and just sit in a lecture and be talked at, whereas doing an apprenticeship, you're able to apply your skills that you are learning, but put them into a practical use. I'd say to someone that was thinking about taking on apprenticeships to just go and do it. I think apprentices are more keen and I would say slightly harder working because they feel maybe that they have to prove themselves. So I think the idea that you're getting someone who doesn't have any knowledge and is just a kid, I think that's completely wrong.